Okay, so here we have a rational expression. Then on the top, we have a monomial of 5x cubed over y. And then a denominator, we have 15x y cubed. And what we want to do is we want to simplify this as much as possible. So the best thing I can relate to you is, let me see here. If I had 5 over 10, we know we can simplify that to 1/2. If I had, let's see, x cubed over x, we know that we can simplify that to x squared by using our rules of exponents. However, when we have terms that are not the same, we can't simplify that at all, correct? We can't divide a y into a 5. This has a variable factors, and this is an integer. So we're not going to be able to simplify terms that are not going to be the same. So, or at least have the same variable factors. So what I'm going to do when I'm taking this monomial, the first thing I'm going to want to do is break this apart, all right? And especially when you're dealing with monomials like this, you can say, well, if I can just rewrite this, because really this is all multiplication is going on here. So I can break this up as 5 over 15 times x cubed over x times y over y cubed. Now for this problem, I'm going to simplify this by using our rules of exponents. However, for later videos, I won't go so much into the depth. So we say, all right, 5 divided by 15, how can we simplify that, right? Now, a lot of students don't get confused with saying 15 divided by 5. This is saying 5 divided by 15. 15 does not divide into 5. However, if you were to take this fraction, you know that you could reduce this down to 1/3. Then I say x cubed divided by x. Remember, by our rules of exponents, when we have division of exponents, we are going to subtract, our division of variables with the same base, we're going to subtract the exponents. So this is going to be x to the 3 minus 1. And here, division, we're going to do the same thing, y of 1 minus 3. Now, we don't have to go through all these steps. And like I said, I'll be going through some other problems where we're not going to go through this as much. But therefore, you can see we have 1/3. This is x squared, which is going to be positive. And then we will have y to the negative second power. So remember, when it's positive, it's going to be in the numerator. And when it's negative, we need to put it in the denominator to make it positive. Therefore, my final answer is going to be an x squared, because it's multiplied by 1, so we'll just leave x squared, over 3y squared. As now, my negative 2 becomes positive when I have it in the denominator. So that is going to be my final simplified rational expression. As you can see, I cannot divide out anything into 1 in this case. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's your example. Thanks.